Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2017 Ford Transit Connect. This Transit Connect is featured in a white paint finish and includes features such as our climate control, a heavy-duty alternator, alloy wheels, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines and rear park assist, our 50/50 folding rear doors as well as sliding rear side doors, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a black door handle, power locks, power windows, as well as power mirrors. Bottom of the door has some additional storage. Just to the left of the steering wheel is all of our lighting controls. Moving above the steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the center. Left-hand side of the steering wheel has all of our settings for our display in our dash, as well as our cruise controls. On the right-hand side, we just have our wiper blades. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. We can see we have a CD player, radio, Bluetooth media, as well as mute, and our hands-free on the right-hand side. Then we have our front climate control, heated outside mirrors, as well as our park assist button. We have our inverter toggle just to the right of our shifter, 12-volt plug at the top of our center console, as well as our cup holders and some storage. Also have a power outlet in the back. We can see we have 3 plugs as well as 2 USB chargings. Moving to the seats, we can see they are in a gray leather finish. Then lastly, above the rear view mirror, we have our light for the front of the vehicle. Moving down the side of our vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we can see we have an alloy rim with our winter tire. Moving out, black finish door handles, black finish mirrors. We have a rear sliding door. Moving all the way to the back of the vehicle, we can see our Ford badging as well as our Transit Connect badging. Backup cameras on the bottom left side. Opening our right door, we can see we have a 90-degree door opening, as well as on our passenger side. In the back, we have plenty of cargo space for anything that we choose to move. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2017 Ford Transit Connect. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.